Welcome to our guide on how to attract money using Chinese Feng Shui traditions. Feng Shui is an ancient practice that emphasizes the arrangement of your surroundings to promote positive energy, or Kai, and enhance various aspects of your life, including wealth. Step 1. Declutter your space. Start by decluttering your space. Clear away any unnecessary items to allow the energy to flow freely. A clutter-free environment is believed to invite prosperity and opportunities into your life. Step 2. Use the color red. Red is a symbol of luck and wealth in Chinese culture. Incorporate red elements into your space, such as decorations, furnishings, or even a red wallet. This is thought to attract positive financial energy. Step 3. Place money plants. Money plants, like the jade plant or lucky bamboo, are popular choices in Feng Shui. These plants are believed to bring growth and good fortune. Place them in the wealth area of your home, often the southeast corner. Step 4. Activate the wealth corner. Using the Bagua mat, identify the wealth corner of your living space. Enhance this area with items that represent abundance, such as a wealth bowl filled with coins or crystals. This can stimulate financial energy flow. Step 5. Water symbols. Water is a symbol of prosperity in Feng Shui. Consider placing a small indoor water fountain or an aquarium in your space. The flowing water is believed to attract wealth and opportunities. Step 6. Reflective surfaces. Mirrors and other reflective surfaces can help multiply positive energy. Place mirrors strategically to reflect wealth-enhancing symbols, but avoid placing them directly across from the entrance. Step 7. Enhance the entrance. The entrance of your home is where energy enters. Keep it well lit and welcoming. Place symbols of abundance, like a red welcome mat or a healthy plant, near the entrance to invite good fortune. Step 8. Maintenance and mindset. Maintain the positive energy by keeping your space clean and well organized. Also, cultivate a positive mindset about money. Believe in your ability to attract wealth and remain open to opportunities. By incorporating these simple Feng Shui principles into your life, you can create a harmonious environment that invites prosperity and positive energy. Remember, it's not just about the physical changes but also about cultivating a positive mindset. Best of luck on your journey to attracting money and abundance.